Yeah, and I see you have an article here about Sony doing VR. What's that about? They're going wireless, right?
Well, that's what the patent shows. So, patents always have to be filed and approved, and that's where people kind of look to see leaks before they're leaked. So, who knows really how long or even if this is going to happen. But the patent shows a wireless headset. So, a lot of people are assuming, well, this could be the PlayStation VR 2, and just because it's ready for a refresh and will most likely refresh with the next iteration of PlayStation, which would be PlayStation 5.
Cool.
Yeah, but there are some technical difficulties when it comes to wireless virtual reality. HTC last CES showed off basically an attachment that they could put on their Vive headset, and it was a 60 gigahertz um, connection that would connect, and it would hang off the back of your headset and then connect directly to your computer
And give you
and,
cancer.
and give you cancer. But the thing about it is it worked most of the time, but it didn't have a feedback loop where it wasn't getting information back. It was only coming one direction, which was
Ah,
from the computer to the virtual reality, and then the computer had all the sensors to see where you were. So what's interesting about what PlayStation's done is when they filed this patent, it means they've tested and proven the wireless technology, but they've also put an extra 5 gigahertz feedback loop, which gives information from the headset back to the system. And it's a two-way. And so that redundancy loop, what it does is if you walk out of the range of the 60 gigahertz, because you got to be close, that 5 gigahertz feedback loop will keep you in, and it will
cool.
keep the refresh rate. You'll lose your resolution, but you're not going to get motion sick. Whereas on the HTC Vive, from what I was reading online, when people get out of range of the 60 gigahertz, all of a sudden it's like, and they get really nauseous,
Oh
and then
no.
they're trying to connect again, and then you gotta calibrate, and it's a real pain. So what PlayStation's done, or should I say Sony has done with this PlayStation headset, is added that extra 5 gigahertz, and it sounds like it's making all the difference. So, is it real? Are we going to see it? Is it going to be in the next version? We don't know, but something I'm looking forward to.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. PlayStation's done a great job bringing virtual reality to the masses. It's so easy to go to
Yes.
Target or Walmart or Costco and just get the PlayStation virtual reality headset because your kids already have a PlayStation. HTC Vive, it's so complicated. You have to get an expensive fancy tower. Moms and
Mhm.
dads just don't know what to do at Christmas for that. So this is much easier and really exciting to see that they're gonna try and make it wireless.